Priyam Residence by Kiasma a01 Architects in Hyderabad, India. This 1-acre landscape project for a luxury bungalow was designed to seamlessly integrate nature and architecture, offering residents an inviting outdoor experience for relaxation, entertainment, and everyday living. The client's primary brief was to create a serene environment that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This resulted in a design that balances multiple outdoor zones with a cohesive flow, utilizing an earthy material palette to enhance the connection between the built spaces and nature. At the heart of the design is the goal of blending modern living with natural tranquility. Key concepts focus on crafting distinct spaces that serve multiple purposes while maintaining visual harmony across the landscape. The entrance features a striking feature wall with a sculptural element, designed to set a welcoming tone and serve as a focal point for visitors. This bold statement piece anchors the design. One of the primary challenges of the project was addressing the natural elevation changes across the site. The sunken seating area, a central feature in the lawn, required careful grading to ensure it is integrated smoothly into the landscape. This space, with a multipurpose table at its core, serves as a flexible area for residents, functioning as a workspace during the day or as a dining area for social gatherings such as barbecues. This thoughtful attention to functional design allows the sunken seating area to spill into the surrounding lawn, creating a seamless transition between the intimate seating zone and the more open lawn space. Adjacent to the bungalow, the design extends to a poolside deck that offers a tranquil lounging space. The clean lines and warm textures of the deck create a tactile contrast to the reflective surface of the pool, providing a calming visual rhythm. The materiality of the deck connects with the surrounding greenery, offering an understated elegance that enhances the user's experience of the space. A key feature of the project is the shaded seating area located next to the sunken seating. Above this shaded zone is a viewing deck that creates a visual interplay with the broader landscape. This elevated platform provides a panoramic perspective of the garden, allowing users to experience the landscape from different vantage points. The cascading water feature adjacent to the pergola adds an immersive sensory layer, combining the auditory experience of water. It transforms the space, offering a meditative connection to the surrounding environment. The landscape is designed to cater to a variety of activities, each zone thoughtfully integrated to promote interaction between the residents and the environment. The spaces work together to guide movement and invite exploration, creating areas that evoke a sense of discovery. Ultimately, this project successfully balances the demands of modern living with the tranquility of nature. The design creates a versatile outdoor experience that transcends simple utility, fostering a deep connection between the residents and their natural surroundings. This landscape becomes more than an extension of the home, it becomes a place of retreat, reflection, and engagement with the environment on a sensory and emotional level.